And right now at 5:30, some Kentucky farmers are praising a new state law that shields pesticide companies from certain lawsuits.
We are talking about the substances used on crops like fruits and vegetables to repel bugs, weeds, or fungus. But others, like Governor Andy Beshear, worry that the law will do more harm than good.
Our political reporter Isaiah Kim Martinez has the story from a Shelby County farm.
When we're applying a fungicide or an insecticide, what we're trying to do is we're trying to protect the fruit and also the tree.
It's almost peach season at Mulberry Orchard in Shelbyville, Kentucky.
These ones are probably about 2 months out from picking. They're looking really good this year. I feel like we got a good crop.
Farmer Matt Geisick is preparing to welcome big crowds for the summer.
There's just a difference when you can buy local.
And right around when this fruit ripens this July, a new Kentucky law will go into effect.
They're good and clean. And we wouldn't be able to do that in Kentucky without, the right pesticides to help us with that.
Geisick supports Senate Bill 199, passed by state lawmakers this year. It provides certain legal protections for pesticide manufacturers selling in this state.
As a farmer, we need all the tools that we can in order to produce that safe, high quality food.
The law focuses on pesticide labeling. It states that if the warning information on the bottle is approved by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, that company cannot be sued in Kentucky for failing to alert customers of certain health risks, including cancer.
I haven't seen a bill like this before where they're just trying to say this whole industry is exempt.
The law is controversial. While most of the Republican majority in the state legislature voted for it, several GOP members joined Democrats in voting against it.
And all I'm asking, I'm not trying to go after the industry, is make a product that doesn't kill people. And guess what? You don't have liability if you have a safe product.
Democratic Governor Andy Beshear vetoed the bill before Republican lawmakers like Senate President Robert Stivers overturned the veto, making the bill law.
Once you get that, basically the seal of approval from the governing entity that you've done all you can do and it is safe, then how can you be held liable? You have to have the consistent rules. You can't have patchwork type of rules and regulations.
Aruni Bhatnagar is a professor of medicine at the University of Louisville. He tells me there is circumstantial evidence linking some pesticides to cancers.
The issue is that whether the labeling by EPA is sufficient.
He says there needs to be some protection for pesticide companies against baseless claims, but also a timely way to improve health warnings.
There is this wide debate that are we making it difficult for health claims to be made in favor of the pesticide manufacturers.
We believe it's been proven safe.
Geisick says for him, it comes down to the trust he has in the fruits and vegetables he feeds his own kids.
It's good, healthy source of food. If I thought it was going to harm my kids, I wouldn't give to somebody else's either.
Now, by passing this law, Kentucky lawmakers acted before the U.S. Supreme Court makes its ruling next month in a case that asks this fundamental question. Can a company be held liable under state law for failing to include a cancer warning the EPA does not require? Now, for Kentucky, that decision won't make a difference either way.